WATE 6 on your side, Storm Team.
Well, for some of you, if you look outside your window or maybe you're headed out for a drive real soon, you're going to see some rain.
Yeah, especially if you're west of Knoxville. I think we're starting to hear some rain come down on the studio. So it is moving in, and there are going to be some embedded downpours as well. So we're expecting up to 1 to 2 inches of additional rainfall. That's in addition to the snow melt and the rain that we saw at the end of last week. So we're watching the potential for some localized flooding. Live look at the radar, noticing some steady rain right now from Knoxville off towards the south, embedded downpours across McMinn and Monroe County. That stretches up towards Lenoir City, up to Harriman, Wartburg, into parts of Morgan County, and some heavy downpours right now in Fentress County. So Jamestown, Clark Range. So just a heads up, Scott County eventually going to see those downpours in the near future. But everyone should be prepared for some embedded downpours throughout the day. So this batch of rain moving in, this isn't the one we're watching up for the potential for some severe weather. But notice the clearing down across parts of Mississippi. If the clearer air moves in, that could allow for some more unstable air. And with another batch of showers expected to develop this afternoon, some of the area could see a stronger storm this afternoon. At this hour, we're just dealing with some steady to moderate rainfall. It's 51 in Knoxville, 48 in Sevierville, and 51 as well in Nyota. Everyone warms up into the mid to upper 50s today, but we're going to be dealing with rain. So make sure you do have the umbrella, no matter what your plans are throughout the day today. So the timeline here, rain continues to push in towards the region. By midday, we're still seeing a lot of downpours. Can't rule out an isolated rumble of thunder this afternoon as well. But then I talked about the clearing. 4 o'clock now. The first batch has moved out. This is when the unstable air could start to move in. Then as we go towards the late evening hours, starting to see more showers and storms develop, leading to the potential for a stronger storm to move through the region, especially south of Interstate 40. North of 40, not expecting severe weather, but you'll still be dealing with the rain this evening. Rain will start to taper heading in towards Sunday morning, but temperatures cool off. And later in the day on Sunday, we'll start to watch out for a mix for the higher elevations. So the flooding risk today, 2 out of 4 for a lot of the region. Be mindful of those flood-prone, low-lying areas. Almost all of East Tennessee under a flood watch now through early tomorrow morning. Everyone just needs to watch out for the localized flooding potential. So the severe threat level along and south of Interstate 40, it's very conditional. We need that unstable air to move in during the break of the rain from this afternoon. So if we don't see a break from the rain, the unstable air really can't move in and we won't expect severe weather. It's very conditional, but I do think you should still have a way to receive watches and warnings should they be warranted. Those storms that move through, we'll watch out for some gusty to damaging winds and an isolated brief tornado. Now, wind alerts, we do have some gusty winds for the Smokies, upwards of 55 miles per hour. Then I mentioned the snow set to move in into Sunday. Wintry mix for the higher elevations of Kentucky, as well as the Smokies, with just a lingering flurry by the time we get towards Monday morning. Monday afternoon, though, should be much drier. And for snow totals, really have to go up in elevation, 1 to 3 inches, the highest peaks of the Smokies, as well as right along the Harlan-Lee County line. But other than that, we're just dealing with the rain throughout the day today, so make sure you have the umbrella and just a way to receive those watches and warnings, especially if you're across the Southern Valley this afternoon, as a stronger storm could turn severe.